Hello students, welcome to my physics online class. And today topic is actually to find out the relation between the electric field and potential difference. And mathematical expression is E is equal to minus dV by dr, where E stand for the electric field and V stand for the potential and R stand for the a very small displacement or distance, whatever. So start. First of all, we suppose that there is a charge plus q at the position O, okay? At a distance r, there is a point B, okay? And that point B actually is in that direction in which the electric field is acting, okay? Now, a further distance dr, there is another point A. Of course, which one, which point will have the higher potential? Of course, it would be B, okay, because it is near to the plus q charge. So here I suppose that this is V plus dV and this is V, okay. As the difference is not very high, okay, and the distance between them is not so high, so we supposed that the difference in the potential difference is very small here dV, okay. Now first of all, we will try to find out the work done for what? Work done to carry a small test charge or unit positive charge from the point A to B, from the point A to B. And you know there, here as shown in the figure, the electric field is acting, okay, away from the charge plus q, okay, at the point O. But that q naught charge, it is placed at the A, that is small q naught. Let us draw here q naught charge, okay. This q naught charge, it is to be brought from the point A to B, okay. So it is actually up in the direction opposite to the A. So here, to find out the work done, okay, we have to assume here that work is done against the force. So of course here the work done will be negative, okay. So let's start. See here, work done is equal to force into displacement. Force, displacement. Displacement here, it is very small. See here figure, dr, it is very small, and that's why work done will also be very much small. Now what is F? What is F? Actually it is the electric force, and that from the definition of electric field, it is the force experienced by per unit test charge. So of course force must be equal to charge multiplied by electric field, okay. Force must be equal to charge into electric field. So this q naught is the test charge, this is the electric field E, and there is a small displacement dr. Now it is a dot product, okay. Definitely a cos theta term will appear over here. The direction between E and dr, okay, dr is in the direction like this and E is in the direction like this, okay. So they are oppositely directed, and that's why a cos 180 degree, that is the angle between them, 180 degree, okay, terms appear over here, and cos 180 degree value is -1. Cos 180 degree value is -1. So overall the work done is here q naught E dr -1 or minus q naught E dr. Let us suppose this is the first equation our. Next, according to definition of potential difference, V, dV, okay, it is actually work per unit charge. So a very small amount of work is done because here the charge is very small. So dW, and this q naught is the charge. So on cross multiplication, we will get dW is equal to q naught dV. Now these equation 1 and this equation 2, actually both are work expression. So we can equate. On equating 1 and 2, we get like this expression here, q naught on the left hand side, q naught on the right hand side, they will cancel each other, and we will get the expression E is equal to minus dV by dr. So this is our result, E is equal to minus dV by dr. So what this term dv by dr actually represent? It is better known as potential gradient, or you can say that it is a drop of the potential with distance. Okay. Here a negative sign is coming over here. So it signifies that electric field E, it is in that direction, it means the potential gradient is decreasing. Okay. Now, sometimes the SI unit of potential gradient is asked. Okay. And here dV is in the numerator, dr is in the denominator. So simply here the dV unit will be volt and dr unit will be meter. So SI unit of potential gradient is volt per meter. Now, coming to the numerical parts, some sample. So the first question here, a potential difference of 50 volt is applied across the two plates 2 millimeter apart. Calculate the magnitude of electric field between the plates. So there are two plates actually. Let us suppose this is one plate and this is one plate. Okay, and the distance between them, is 2 millimeter. The distance between them is 2 millimeter. And now the difference between the potential difference is 50 volt. This is 50 volt. So let's start to find out the electric field in between the two plates. So here, simple the relation, E is equal to minus dV by dr. So here dV is equal to 50 volt, difference in potential difference, and dr is equal to 2 millimeter. Now this is in millimeter, we have to convert it in meter, that is in SI system we have to convert, and putting all these value we will get the result. dV 50 and dr 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. Here the negative sign actually it has been neglected because here it is actually it hasn't been asked, only the electric field is asked. Okay, the value we are concerned about it. Next question, the potential. The electric potential V at any point x, y, z in a space is given by V is equal to 4x square volt. Calculate the electric intensity at the point. So electric field, electric intensity, actually both are same thing. Okay, remember this thing. And here the point are 1, 0, 2. All the value are in meter expression. So V is equal to 4x square. This is in our hand actually. Electric field E is equal to question mark because we don't know, we need to know. And x, y, z, here the value of x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to. Now this is the expression we actually know, E is equal to minus dV by dx. Oh, it is actually not dV by dr. Actually it is better known as delta V divided by delta V delta R. Actually it is a partial differentiation, and here only the variable part is x. Okay, not y, not z. So all the thing that is y and z, they will be treated as constant. So when they will be treated as constant on differentiation, it will become 0. So we are only concerned about the value x is equal to 1. So first of all, I start here putting the value of v is equal to 4x square, we will get minus 8x, and just put the value of x here, it is 1 millimeter. So on putting this value, we are getting minus 8 volt per meter. And here again a negative sign is coming, so we have to mention it. It is along the negative direction of x-axis. Okay, thank you for watching this video.